Okay, now you are driving and then you notice that your vehicle is overheating. What can you do to remedy the situation? So when your vehicle is overheating and you notice maybe vapor coming out from the front of your vehicle under the hood, or what we call bonnet. So what you do is this: you quickly drive, find a safe place to park your vehicle, and when you have parked it, the next thing you do is to open the bonnet carefully. Open it carefully. So you turn off the engine, you open it carefully in a way that you don't get splashed by the coolant or water, because in a lot of Nigerians, once they have removed the coolant, they replace it with water. So you open it gently, and when you do that, what happens next? You allow it to cool. You allow it to cool for some time. Then you can then check the cause. What was responsible for the overheating? Is it that your fan failed or what? So if you don't know what is responsible, the next time keep feeding your car with what it needs, and your car will give you the performance that you desire.